Today joining us is Russell Wayne. He works for Tola Mobile, a mobile payment solution company in Africa. I have to add that Russell will be joining our SiGMA exhibition panel happening next year. Hi Russell, thanks for joining us today.
Hi, pleasure.
So how are you doing?
Good, busy, which is good.
Great. So let's jump right into this. So let me ask you questions. So there are over 1 billion unbanked people in Africa who use mobile money to pay for goods and services. What sort of payment type should betting company be looking should they want to invest in Africa?
So mobile money is the key payment processing solution you need to have across Africa, sub-Saharan Africa. It's the second most commonly used form of payment after cash. Credit cards, they work very well, but they only really work well in Nigeria and South Africa. So companies coming into sub-Saharan Africa really need to be having mobile money as a key payment solution.
Oh, great. So is that, what do you offer as Tola Mobile? What service do you offer in Africa?
So we offer a single API into 8 different African countries in sub-Saharan Africa, connecting into over 18 different mobile phone operator wallets. That single API will give you connectivity into the Payables, which is mobile money solution. We also do USSD, SMS betting, and SMS marketing as well.
Oh, that's great. So Kenya is a leading country in Africa when it comes to mobile money service, standing at about 93% of its population. However, up to 10% fee is deducted by providers for every transaction, which is high. So do you think there are chances for other operators to penetrate the market to provide a bit more competitive prices?
Oh, definitely. I mean, Kenya's a huge market for sports betting and lottery anyway, across the continent. They love it. Kenyans absolutely adore sports betting, especially the English, the German and the Spanish league. So offering different solutions like, sorry, can we ask that question again? Sorry.
Okay, so
Sorry.
I was asking, so being that Kenya is a leading mobile money country in Africa, about 93% of its population use mobile money. However, when it comes to the operators that they charge 10% fee, they deduct 10% by providers for every transaction that is made, which I believe is quite high. So what are the chances of other operators to penetrate the market to give like competitive prices is the question.
Thank you. So the actual 10% fee, I believe that's to do with the taxes which the local government actually imply. So there's ways around that. You can actually do different odds, etc., to actually get more people to come to the actual websites, USSD, SMS betting, etc. Give different promotions, like if you lose, we'll give you your money back. That's really the only way to get round the actual whole taxation issue currently in Kenya at the moment.
Okay. So mobile money is one major alternative to the 1 billion people that do not have bank accounts, but however, they use mobile phones in Africa. How easy is it for bettors to use mobile payments, and how easy is it for businesses to process these payments and get their money? So the question is basically into 2 parts. So how easy is it for customers that use mobile money payments to do this transaction, and how easy is it for businesses to get their money in?
Very easy. So it's simple. People across sub-Saharan Africa know exactly what they're doing regarding mobile money. They know how to send it via the normal mobile phone operator USSD menu or via online. It's so simple. All they would do is just enter their mobile phone number with the amount, and the process is actually taken care of. For the customers to be able to receive their money, again, very easy. It's just basically the end user sends money to a pay bill, which is like a bank account, and then that's linked to a localized bank account where the money will sit. So it's very, very simple for both parties.
Oh, good. So is this payment for consumers, is it safe? when they use it, mobile
Yes, definitely. So at the end of the actual transaction, or when the end user's sending money, they have to enter a unique PIN, 4-digit unique PIN, which is only known to the end user and also the mobile phone operator. So, and that's linked to your mobile phone number. So without having A, your mobile phone number, and B, your PIN code, people can't actually steal the money from your account, hopefully.
So that's great news for them then. So the next question is, Nigeria, Egypt, and Morocco are described as a sleeping giant when it comes to mobile payment. Nigeria, particularly according to the central bank, over 60 million people are without banking accounts. Will this figure make a lucrative business for potential investors, and why so if it is?
Massively. The problem you have there is the banks still control what the big mobile phone operators do. So the likes of Airtel and MTN, they still don't have their licenses for mobile money. So once they have that mobile money, it's just going to be booming in Nigeria, even more than what it currently is now.
Wow, super. So what countries in Africa have you seen a rise in sport betting from your perspective, Russell?
So obviously Kenya is number one, I believe, across the whole of the continent. Tanzania is huge volume of bets, which is currently happening. But the surprising one is Mozambique. So we're seeing a similar sort of bets being placed in Mozambique compared to Tanzania and also Kenya. But the ones which I'm most interested about for next year is going to be Malawi and Zambia. I just feel that most sports betting operators at the moment are currently looking at East and West Africa, and nobody's really focusing on Southern Africa, which I believe will be an interest.
So have you been to Malawi and Zambia?
No, not yet. So I'm looking forward to it hopefully next year. So that'll be quite nice if I ever get out of the UK.
Okay, so as you've heard it, so Malawi and Zambia will be the new market, so to speak, right? Okay, so where can we find you should we want to get in touch with you if investors are looking out for people that offer services such as yours? Where can we get hold of you, Russell?
So you can either email me directly, you can come onto the Tola Mobile website, which is tolamobile.com. Call me, meet me at SiGMA if you wish. So many different ways to get hold of me.
That's great. So as I said before, so Russell will be taking part in our SiGMA exhibition. He's one of the members of the panel. So he's also going to be there next year in SiGMA exhibition. So thanks for joining us. Thanks for this interview, giving us insight, Russell. And it's lovely chatting with you. See you soon. This is Charity from SiGMA TV, and bye.
Bye.